5 Great Tips to Handle Stress. Stress has always been a part of our lives. Experts state that a little stress can be good. It keeps you sharp and ready to move forward, and is sometimes vital for achieving optimum performance. However, medical research has determined that prolonged stress is very bad for the body, and can block the body's natural ability to repair, regenerate and protect itself. It will pass and it will be over before you know it. The second step is to ignore other thoughts that come to your mind while you're doing the repetition, and come back to the repetition. Or you can do a repetitive exercise, for instance yoga, jogging, Reiki. The more you continue to think about the factors that cause your stress, the more energy you give it.